Hi everyone. If you're unable to log into your TikTok account because you've forgotten your email, phone number, or you no longer have access to them, this video will show you how to recover your account. I'll walk you through the method to help you regain access. Launch the TikTok app and go to the login page. Here, you can log in with your phone number or email, but if you don't have access to either, don't worry. Tap the question mark next to the login options. Under Topics, select Recover Your Account. Enter your TikTok username. TikTok will prompt you to verify your identity via email. If you don't have access to that email, select the option that says, Can't access these, or give us your feedback. Explain the issue you're facing, such as not being able to log in or access your email or phone number. You can also add a new email address that you can access, so TikTok can contact you. By using these methods, you should be able to recover your TikTok account. If your account has been deleted, I have another video linked below to help you with that process.